Alright, lean in close. I shouldn't be broadcasting this. You feel it, don't you? That creeping sensation that something shifted. You scroll, you double tap, you comment, but it feels empty. Like yelling into a canyon and hearing a synthetic echo back. Welcome to the wait. Spoiler alert, the internet you loved, it died around 2016. We're just living in its haunted corpse. Sounds crazy, right? Chico, take off the tinfoil hat. Okay, fine. Explain this. Look at any comment section on a major platform. Great content, awesome video, repeated 500 times. Do you honestly think those are humans named Crypto King 88? No, it's bots talking to bots, juicing engagement metrics for an algorithm that doesn't care if you exist. This is the dead internet theory. The idea that the majority of web traffic isn't human anymore. And recently, it got much, much worse. Enter the era of slop. Before AI got good, the internet was weird, but human weird. Now, it's just a landfill of generative garbage. You think I'm being dramatic? No. Let's look at the hard data, the autopsy report. According to the latest Imperva Bad Bot report, nearly 50% of all internet traffic isn't human. Half. Flip a coin. Heads, it's a person. Tails, it's a script scraping data or liking a fake video of a cat saving a baby from a tornado. This brings us to the inversion event. For years, we programmed bots to pass the Turing test. We wanted them to sound like us, but the algorithm flipped the script. Now, humans are failing the reverse Turing test. We are actively trying to sound like bots. Look at the NPC streamer trend. Real, biological humans stripping away their soul to move like a glitchy video game character for hours. Ice cream so good. Gang gang. Why? Because the algorithm rewards predictability. Being human, being messy, complex, silent is bad for retention. So we lobotomize ourselves to fit the machine's parameters. And just when we needed to know who was real, the platforms sold us out. Look at X, formerly Twitter. The blue check used to mean identity verified. Now it just means I have $8 and a credit card. It destroyed the proof of humanity overnight. This chaos created the dark forest theory. In a dark forest, making noise is dangerous. It attracts predators, trolls, scammers. So the real humans went silent, and the public internet became a ghost town filled with zombie content, AI slop. We need to talk about the shrimp Jesus phenomenon again, because it's darker than you think. Grandma sees it. She thinks it's beautiful. She shares it. She is the useful idiot in a loop of automated fraud. But here is the true horror, the escalation. We are seeing the rise of solipsism, the belief that you are the only mind that exists. When every interaction online feels scripted, you stop treating people like people. dating apps full of bots, LinkedIn posts written by ChatGPT. The texture of society is becoming smooth, frictionless, fake. We are ghost hunting in a machine that was built to connect us. Now, it only connects advertisers to wallets, using bots as the delivery trucks. So, what happens when the dead internet bleeds into the real world? When we start treating the cashier, the bus driver, or our neighbors like NPCs? That is the human glitch. We are becoming lonely, paranoid, and disconnected because our primary window to the world is painting a picture that doesn't exist. The internet didn't just die. It was murdered, stuffed, and put on display. And we are the tourists paying admission to look at the taxidermy. Feel that chill? That's the realization setting in. But don't disconnect yet, because knowing the truth is the only way to find the exit door. The internet isn't a town square anymore. It's a haunted shopping mall where the mannequins have come to life. So, here's the chill pill. Stop feeding the machine. The only way to win this game is to stop playing their way. Log off, touch grass, read a physical book, be unpredictable, be human. They hate that. Chico, out.